Number 5. MSI MEC X570 Unify Motherboard. Supports 2nd and 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen with Radeon Graphics desktop processors for AM4 socket. Supports DDR4 memory, up to 4600 plus OC, MHz. Aluminum cover with extended heatsink. Lightning fast game experience. 2.5 Gbps gaming LAN with latest Wi-Fi 6 solution. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Asus ROG Strix X570 Gaming ATX Motherboard. Ready for 2nd and 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen processors to maximize connectivity. Asus exclusive AORUS Sync RGB lighting, including RGB headers and addressable Gen 2 headers. Active PCH heatsink, MOS heatsink with 8mm heat pipe, dual onboard M.2 heatsinks and a water pump header. Supports PCIe 4.0, HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.2 and features dual M.2 and USB 3.2 Type A and Type C connectors. 2.5 Gbps LAN and Intel Gigabit Ethernet with Asus LANguard, Wi-Fi 6. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. GIGABYTE X570 AORUS Master. Supports AMD 3rd Gen Ryzen/2nd Gen Ryzen. Dual channel ECC/non-ECC unbuffered DDR4, 4DIMMs. Direct 14 phases Infineon digital VRM solution with 50A power stage. Advanced thermal design, Fencer A heatsink and direct touch heat pipe. Intel Wi-Fi 6 802.11x and Bluetooth 5 with AORUS antenna. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Asus ROG X570 Crosshair Hero. AMD AM4 socket, ready for 2nd and 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen processors. Premium components for maximum endurance. Active PCH heatsink, M.2 aluminum heatsink and raw cooling zone. Onboard Wi-Fi 6, 802.11x, with MU-MIMO support, 2.5 Gbps Ethernet. Automated system-wide tuning. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. MSI MEC Z490 Ace Gaming Motherboard. Supports 10th generation Intel Core, Pentium Gold, Celeron processors for LG A1200 socket. Supports dual channel DDR4 memory up to 128 GB total, 4800 MHz. Frozr heatsink designed with active cooling, double ball bearings. Triple turbo M.2 with M.2 shield. Frozr delivers transfer speeds of up to 32 Gbps for ultra-fast SSDs. Pre-installed I/O shielding for convenience and protection from electrostatic discharge. Please check the description for details and best price.